Step into the 2007 Toyota Sienna XLE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, brake assist, luggage rack and automatic headlights. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.